Alright, we're working on the yard man. Oh, Briggs & Stratton 15 horsepower, Diamond Plus. The commercial performance machine engine. Anyway, so this is the second choke wire I've gotten. That isn't the right one, or I'm missing the parts I need or something. Anyway, so I drilled some holes in my bracket and I got it coming in here. Then I didn't know how to connect it to this piece, so I got it bent there, so it does work. Problem. As of yet, I haven't got it to be able to stay in the dash, although I can put it in the dash and make it work. But I'm running out of time for today, so wow, that's gonna be about it. I think if I just cut some notches in there, in fact, I was trying to do that with this. Cut that notch right there wider, because the dash is thicker than what it's allowing me to clip into with this. I thought about a cutting wheel. I need kind of saw. I don't know. I'll figure something out there. Even if I wasn't even thinking about putting a hose clamp on it on the back side, but that wasn't an easy option, unfortunately. But it does work. I just got to get it to stick in the dash now. So just doing a little engineering there, or whatever you want to call it. Artistry, that's it. It's art. One guy kept asking me if what I'm doing is art. And I thought, well, no, I guess it isn't really. But then when you look at that, maybe it is art. Yeah, maybe it is art after all. Anyway, fabrication. That's what we're using here, fabrication skills. To make something out of a part that just doesn't want to seem to work. But I'll get it to work. I'm almost there now. So this is John Riddy working on the yard man with power to perform. Signing off.